Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jade, aka Baby Cakes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi. What do I say? I just don't know what to say. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jade. I run this YouTube channel. Obviously, I'm liking a lot of the videos. Today, we're doing a chit chat, get ready with me, Y2k, 90s. I don't know what to title this video. Basically, it's gonna be like a brown Y2k makeup look. And let me just say, it's gonna be really nice. I'm very sorry, I've been away. I say that every time, I know, but I always am. I love filming, I said that before. I keep saying like the same speech. I feel like it's in every video. So it's gonna be an honest chit chat, get ready with me. You know, let's be honest and open and share our minds and just... So yeah, let's get started on this chit chat, get ready with me, Y2k brown makeup. Yes. All right, so I didn't moisturize yet, even though my skin looks actually not that bad today. But I use this moisturizer in every video. It is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Before, I used the water gel version of this, but now I have the gel cream extra dry, and this is why. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but like I think I see a big difference between this video and my last video that I posted like 10 months ago. My acne has cleared up to the nines. Like it's literally... it's clearer than my mind on a daily basis. You know what I'm saying? But my acne has cleared up so much, all because I went to a dermatologist and I didn't listen to weird beauty gurus. So I went to a dermatologist and oh my gosh, she is so good at what she does. Everything about her is great. Anyway, I went to a dermatologist for my acne because I felt like my acne was just getting worse every day, like for some reason. And I tried a lot of products. Like I'm that person to try every product, just get rid of their acne. And it's not that acne, well, it gave me less confidence. It was a really big confidence issue for me, but it was also that acne just hurts. Like if you have acne and you're acne prone, your face probably just hurts all the time because your skin is so tight from all like the gross juices in your pores and stuff. If they're big blemishes, they get so tight, and just anytime you move your face, it hurts. So that was also a really big issue. But so far, my face looks 10 times better. The reason why I went from the water gel to the extra dry creamy one was because I had a severe burn on my face from one of the medications. So it wasn't my dermatologist's fault at all. Obviously, this had nothing to do with her. It happened to do with me and not reading in basic instructions, so I don't burn my face off. I had 3 medications. One is face wash, the other one is like a daytime cream, and the other one is a nighttime cream. So I had nothing bad with the face wash and the daytime cream, but the nighttime cream is what got me because I didn't pay attention to the instructions. So the nighttime cream, I'm supposed to leave it on for a maximum of 8 hours, and then I have to wash it off because there's a bleaching agent in it. Even my dermatologist told me like, don't wear anything dark to sleep, or like don't sleep on like dark pillowcases or with blankets because it can bleach your things. And I obviously didn't remember that. So one night I put on the nighttime medication and I forget to wash it in the morning after 8 hours. So what happened was I went for almost 20 to 24 hours without taking it off. And I noticed while during the day I was shopping, I was like, my skin feels a little itchy. It feels a little dry. And I didn't think of anything. I didn't know that I didn't wash it off. I just thought it was my skin being weird that day. When I went to go wash my face lit on fire and it was red and I was swollen all over the place. Sorry, I have to cut off the story really fast. All of you know I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer on my face, but I actually found a dupe. It's actually pretty good. It is called the Jelly Pop Elf Dew Primer. It literally has the same texture and the same stickiness on your face. Like, there practically is no difference. We're going to put on the Elf one today. So what happened was my skin was so dry and it flaked, like literally it was like snow. So like when I washed my face, I felt like someone put gasoline on my face and lit on fire. Like it was that bad, and I was literally crying. Like I was crying for a long time because it hurt so bad. I do not recommend leaving on bleaching agents on your face for more than 8 hours. Obviously, I was just not thinking. Yeah, that was my story and why I have to do the extra creamy moisturizer now. Okay, so now we're gonna do foundation. I'm gonna be using my little Twin Star sponge today. I know, a new sponge besides the Morphe red one. When does that ever happen? Me using a different sponge and different products than I usually do? Look at me growing up and everything. Although I will not be using a Morphe sponge today, I will be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist because this is a really good setting spray. I like to use it for foundation. And also, tried and true, this is not a new product. Sorry to disappoint you. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place makeup because I want to go full coverage today. I haven't worn like a full face of makeup ever since I filmed my last video, and that's the truth. Because of masks, I can't wear any makeup on my face because all my makeup kind of just disappears, which is fine. I have no problem with masks, it's just I can't wear makeup, that's it, which is a very first world problem, by the way. But so because of that, I haven't worn a full face in a long time. Makeup just takes a long time, and if it's gonna come off at the end of the day anyway because of humidity and my mask, then might as well just not wear it at all. I love this foundation so much. It's just so pretty, and I say that in every single video, but I have to put up my hair like a real Y2k girl. I hope that's fine. So yeah, I haven't worn makeup in a long time, and I've been wanting to wear it again because I've been feeling really down about myself lately. Like I usually do, and most people have right now, but I just have been having real struggles with my body. I've talked about this before. I have weight issues, like with confidence and stuff, and health too. Weight really gets me down sometimes, to the point where I don't wear makeup because I feel like I don't deserve it, if you see what I'm saying. I know, we're getting real sentimental here, but you know what, let's do it. But most of you aren't blood related, but you know what? You're still family to me. I still love you. So we're gonna have open talks like this. And it's okay, because we all need to have these open talks. And also, I hope other people can connect with me while I talk about these things, because I love it when other YouTubers talk about their struggles that I also have struggles with. My job. So I actually got a new job around a little more than a month ago. I basically work with children. I help take care of them when their parents aren't there. Honestly, they're a lot of fun. Like, I just love this job completely. I love making arts and crafts for the kids. That's like one of my favorite things to do, is to do like arts and crafts with them. Especially the girls, because all the girls love arts and crafts. Some boys do too, but like it's gonna be mostly girls. I think it wouldn't be very good if the kids didn't like me for some reason, but they all like me, so it's great. I'm sorry, did I not show you guys? I'm using the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer, really good. This is in the shade OC01 or number 1. Whichever one it is. I love this concealer so much. I also like to take my concealer around this area for the excess so that my sweat doesn't easily come through as much. So the powder I'm using is the Hourglass, I believe, translucent powder. Honestly, every time I film a YouTube video, I feel so good about myself. I feel like I'm doing something. I just feel good all the time when I film a YouTube video. By the way, my background, I know it's different. I don't usually show everything in my background, but this is my, obviously my candy beads, and that's my like candy collection. In this one, this is like my collectible whatever things. And then on top here is my Funko Pops. Yes, I'm a Funko Pop collector. Don't worry, I use deodorant. So we're going to be using the Butter Bronzer today in the shade Bronzer. Do a little bit of bronzer, so we're also bronzing up the nose because my skin is white. Okay, I think that bronzer is good. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with my translucent powder from Maybelline again. Unfortunately, this is not a new product. This is an old product that I've had, but it's really good. Okay, it's super old, but it's really good. This is the Supreme Frost Wet Dream Jeffree Star highlighter, and look how dirty that is. And I'm also taking this Wet n Wild brush I got at the dollar store, which is awesome because it was like $1. I'm gonna put this, boom, and we're gonna go straight down the nose. If that's not the best nose highlight you've ever seen, I don't know what is. And then we're just also gonna hit the brow bone, which I think this brush would also be really good with. No, I don't really do my eyebrows. I don't really wax them or like pluck them anymore because I don't know, I just get lazy. Oh, if you know me, I wear blush in every single video and I put like 10 pounds on it on my face. Wow, dude, you gotta forget it now, really, when you're filming a new video. The great thing about this, though, is the early 2000s, like super early, didn't have a lot of blush, but we're only gonna put a little bit on. This is great because I thought I was gonna have to put on a lot today. You know, I don't know about highlight for Y2K, so we're just gonna put just not too much, just enough. Not too much, not too little. We're just gonna like, I love this palette so much. I'm not sure if I showed this on YouTube yet, because I bought it not too long ago. So I'm not sure when I bought it, and I'm not sure when I showed it. Anyway, this is the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. Also, if you like Y2K or like 90s makeup, these colors are immaculate. Jackie Aina did such a good job of picking out colors and stuff. I know my palette's dirty, whatever, every makeup artist palette's dirty. I love using these two brown shades right here for everything. I love using this as a foil, like it's such a nice shadow, which I will be using today. So I'm first gonna go in the shade called Ginger, and I'm gonna take that really lightly on my brush, tap, and then we're just gonna sweep it. You know what I forgot? So by the way, my eyeshadow's not gonna be the smoothest today, and here's why. My P. Louise eye base exploded. Completely exploded into my makeup bag, and now I keep forgetting to buy a new P. Louise eye base, which means my eyeshadow is not going to be super blended today. But you know what, we are going to try our best. If you think my eyeshadow is bad today, please look at my other videos because I use P. Louise eye base on there. I don't have it today, but I'm gonna try my best though. Don't worry, I'm gonna really work this eyeshadow in. I just feel like all eyeshadows don't blend right with foundation or concealer. It just never works out. Now we are going in with this brown color right here called Credit. Right here, Credit, right there. We're gonna mix this with the little brown that we have. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow brush. It's actually supposed to be a Harry Potter one. My sister is showering and that wall connects to the bathroom. So once she turns on the water, it is clear as day. I'm gonna mute it, but I'm still gonna do my eyeshadow. I did my brown eyeshadow, but I also took it all the way under into the inner corner, really tight lined it, because that's very early 2000s, kind of 90s. They really underlined the eye, like with dark eyeshadow, which is what I did. Hi, so I was about to put my eyelashes on. I cut out like 10 minutes of me talking about it, and I was about to put them on, and I realized I'm not even done with my eyes look yet. I literally have blank space on my eyelids right now. So early 2000s was all about super sparkly, like eye makeup, like super, like if you remember Paris Hilton when she had like that like full eye silver eyeshadow, that's what I'm talking about. In these shades, we're gonna use Zam, which is right here, if you can see. Wow, thank you for following. Hope to see you next time. So I sprayed my brush and now I'm gonna dip into the color. I forgot I don't use brushes for this part because for some reason this eyeshadow doesn't take on brushes very good, which is fine, but look at this. You see, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Oh wow, finally I finished my eyeshadow and now I can move on. So like I said, I was about to do my eyelashes and I was talking about it and I literally ripped the eyelashes open. But because this box is now broken, I'm using the Mink Effect Ultimate 5D Volume 25mm Kiss eyelashes. In the early 2000s, they didn't have huge eyelashes like these. These are pretty big, but I only have two options, so we're either gonna go with these or with these. Legit giant spiders. So that's what I'm saying. I think we're gonna go with this one because this one's too big. So we're gonna put on mascara now so that we can cover up these shadowy eyes, like all this eyeshadow. By the way, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Mascara. It's not my favorite mascara, but I'm just using this to make my eyelashes dark so they blend with the eyelashes. Twirl this one. I think you guys know this already, I'm not sure, maybe I've talked about it, but this is my favorite eyeliner of all time because it is an eyelash glue and an eyeliner. This is the best invention because all I have to do, and I don't even have to do eyeliner and then eyelash glue. It's 2-in-1. I literally just have to put this on like eyeliner and then put on my lash, and that's it. It is stuck for the entire day. So the actual name of the product is Lash Glue Liner by Kiss. It is so awesome. So I was gonna do a big wing liner, but I forgot that the early 2000s wasn't really like a wing phase. They never really had that. Okay, so I know you're all gonna be wondering, eyebrows. Where's the eyebrows? You're gonna fill them in or what? We know the early 2000s/90s brow phase. It was a stick pencil, but it's funny because that trend is literally coming back. This is the Anastasia brow gel, but this is so old that like there is no label on it anymore. It literally rubbed off. I'm not doing any kind of fluffy brow. I'm just literally trying to like. So just because they have thin brows doesn't mean that they had no brows. So we're just gonna kind of add some color if I can, because I probably should have done this before brow gel. Ooh, I'm excited because I get to do my favorite lip combo. So here's my favorite lip liner of all time. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. This brown is dark, but it's not like black. It's like a darker brown, but it's like really flattering on the skin. My Cupid's bow isn't prominent because of course Y2k was like, it started to be like a little bit more of a fuller lip with a dark liner and like a lighter lipstick. So here are my two favorite lipsticks to do this look. They're both Maybelline lipstick, but one is a cream and it's 940 Touchable Taupe, and the lighter one is 650 Nude Embrace and it's the matte one. So we're first gonna start with the darker lipstick on the outside just to kind of blend in the lip liner a little bit. Okay, so now that we have the dark lipstick on, we're not gonna put the light matte lipstick. So here's the finished makeup look, guys. How do we like it? I think it's really pretty. Almost very chola-like. Don't worry, I'm Mexican. I got these at Spencer's like a month ago and they're so gorgeous. These are pink Y2k glasses with rhinestone hearts on them. Super Y2k, these glasses were so popular at the time. So we're going to now end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. This was so fun. Get ready with me again. I'm gonna start posting more often. I know I keep saying that every video, but this time I'm like, for real, I'm gonna do that. I just love this look so much. Very Y2k, very giving you paparazzi, like, I'm going to the mall, I'm going to Walmart, stop. Like, that's what I look like. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I forgot to say we reached 2,000 subscribers, which, you know, numbers don't count obviously, but that just means 2,000 of people who love what I do. So I love you guys and this is awesome. So please subscribe if you like what I do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, stay gorgeous.